Yo, what's going on, America? What we got going on today? I want to be hyped, but I really can't because today's Sunday and I had plans on going to church, but the truck distributor had went on and went out on me. So what I did today, I went to go start the truck up, get ready for church, let the car warm up because it's cold and it's raining today. I was like, man, let me start the truck up, get it pre-started so we can go to church. Came out here, started the truck up, boom. No fire to the truck. I'm getting gas, I'm getting everything else, oil's right, all my fluids is right. It's just not getting fire. So what I did was took the number one spark plug, I put a screwdriver inside that number one spark plug, got it real close to some metal, cranked the motor to see what type of spark that the truck was giving off, and it wasn't giving off any spark at all. What I'm gonna do is take the distributor out. I wanna be hyped, but I'm really mad right now. I really didn't want to do this today. I just wanted to wake up and go to church, but I don't want to change the distributor out without recording it and letting y'all see the process. Like I said, I want y'all to see everything that I'm doing to this truck before I give it away. So what's the point of me starting to do something without letting y'all see everything? Then y'all just got to take my word for it. No, I don't want y'all to take my word for it. I'm finna put a brand new distributor in the truck. Y'all finna love it. I'm finna see if I could teach y'all something. And I'm recording on my computer today because my phone is dead. It's been a morning, man, but it's not stopping me nonetheless. I'm out here trying to get this content, trying to make it very valuable. We're gonna replace this distributor, put it back in. I'm gonna show y'all how to do all of that step by step. If y'all wanna know how to do it, if y'all just down to watch the build for itself to see everything that I do to it, it don't matter. All views, whatever y'all wanna see, I'm gonna bring it to the light and y'all gonna see it. Like I said, we finna jump straight into it. I know I didn't talk enough, so let's get into it. No, 1357. Spark plug order 1357246. So we're gonna take this number one spark plug out and we're gonna get the motor at top dead center. We'll take the spark plug out, put my finger over the hole. I'm gonna have him crank it, kind of bump it over. We're gonna get the compression stroke right here at number one. Right. I bump it. 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 Woo, that's it. That's it. Argument high. It's gonna disconnect any loose wires that we could possibly step on or trample on in the process of getting inside the motor. So now that all of that's taken out, the distributor is back here. I took all of that off just to say the distributor is back here. Nah, that's not why I took it off. I took all of this off because I'm gonna be right up in here in between all of this. All right, now that we got all of that off, I got my 5/8 down there on the crank, and we finna just crank it over until the two lines meet up. The crank, I know it's kind of hard to see, but those two lines are meeting up. And now we are on top dead compression stroke. Now that we on top dead compression stroke, as you can see, both of those lines are lining up. The next step is taking the distributor out. So that's what we're finna do. Now we got our new distributor. What we're gonna do is line these two dots up. We're gonna line that dot up with that line right there. And when you drop it in, it should drop straight in just like that. All right, so we're just gonna tighten this bolt down right here. Make sure everything is good and tight. Number one thing you want to make sure is this needle right here is facing towards number one. So what you want to do is make an imaginary line and make it go to the number one spark plug. So boom, boom. So we are on the number one spark plug. Everything's back in there. All right, so that's it, man. Everything is good. Everything's back in there. Battery is tight. All right, that's everything. Car is back together. What I'm gonna do now is just take the car for a test spin and just see how it's riding, man. All right, so we got the test drive over. I'm back at home. It's shifting and everything like strong. And this truck is driving like a beast, a freaking beast. This right here. But yeah, man, that was the footage. I really don't have nothing much more to say, man. If I stay on here, I'm gonna just keep rambling. I hope y'all have a good day. Have a blessed Sunday. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Good luck to you.